Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's next big software update, One UI 7. From major design changes to AI-powered features and Android 15 integration, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's break down everything we know so far. Samsung's One UI 7 will be based on Android 15, which is still in its beta stages, but already showing promising changes in privacy, performance, and AI capabilities. As always, Samsung will add its own custom layer with exclusive features and a fresh UI experience. Now, let's talk eligibility. The Galaxy S24 series will be the first to get the update, followed by the S23 series, Fold and Flip 5, Tab S9, and newer A-series devices. If your device launched with Android 13 or newer, you'll likely be on the list. So, what's new in One UI 7? First off, Samsung is expected to overhaul the notification panel with a cleaner layout and smoother animations. There's also talk of a dynamic color engine, letting your system better adapt to your wallpaper and theme, building further on Material You. Samsung is also working on deep AI integration, possibly expanding Galaxy AI features into more apps. Expect smarter photo editing, AI summaries in Samsung Notes, and enhanced voice recognition across the board. Performance-wise, the new update will bring faster app launches, better background app management, and extended battery life, thanks to Android 15's new energy-saving protocols. One UI 7 will include enhanced privacy controls, like limiting app access to media files and location data. You'll also see more transparency with permission requests, a new dashboard for data tracking, and the ability to auto-reset in used app permissions, great for both privacy and storage optimization. Samsung Knox is also expected to get a few upgrades, making your phone even more secure from malware and unauthorized access. Samsung is likely to roll out the One UI 7 beta program around August 2025, starting with the Galaxy S24 series. The stable release could arrive by October or November, following the official Android 15 launch. So, if you're excited about the One UI 7 update, make sure to back up your data and keep an eye out for the beta sign-up announcement. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest Samsung news and leaks. Let me know in the comments, what feature are you most excited for in One UI 7?